Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by inserting the image into your document. This is the fastest path to placement. Click Insert, choose Pictures, then pick your file. Once the image is visible, set Wrap Text to in front of text so you can position text anywhere. This prevents line flow conflicts. Resize or crop using corner handles to keep proportions, and make sure the image resolution supports print if needed. Once done, you're ready to add text without disturbing paragraph layout. Move on when the picture sits where you want it. Now add your text by inserting a text box and placing it over the image. This isolates text from body content and gives full control. Type your copy, then format font, size, color, and apply effects such as shadow or glow for legibility. Use no outline and no fill if you want only text visible. To lock position, set Wrap Text to None, and use Format Align to Center or Nudge with arrow keys. This keeps the text anchored even if other content shifts around it. Finish by grouping text and image so they behave as a single object. Select both, right-click, and choose Group. This prevents accidental misalignment when editing. If you need a stable final file, export to PDF or save the slide as a high-resolution image to preserve fonts and layout. If text vanishes behind the image, use Bring Forward or Send Backward. If alignment breaks, reset Wrap Text and reapply None. One key tip: unlock grouped objects if you must edit. Regroup afterward to maintain layout integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.